Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to link your Beach Buggy Racing 2 account with an email. To link your Beach Buggy Racing 2 account to an email, first of all launch the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game on your device and then from the home page tap on the gear button at the top left corner. This will open up your profile section. Tap on Manage Account at the bottom right and then click on Secure Your Account. On the next page, enter an email address to use for your account. After typing down an email, click on the play button in green right next to the box. And then on the next page, enter a password between 6 to 20 characters long. Once done, tap on OK. Now, you have successfully and securely linked your email with Beach Buggy Racing 2. Securing your account with an email allows you to back up your game progress to the cloud, making it easier to recover your data if you switch device or reinstall game. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.